Neither Klover nor Empower is automatically easier to use because the experience depends on what you're trying to do, how quickly you complete account setup, and which app's features match your needs. By the end of this video, you'll know how Klover and Empower compare for everyday use, and which one may be the better fit for you. If your priority is getting started quickly, both apps require you to create an account, connect a supported bank account, and complete any identity verification requested during setup. The app that finishes syncing your bank account without problems will usually feel easier to use from the beginning. Klover organizes its main features around cash advances, rewards, and account management. Once your account is connected, you can check your advance eligibility, manage your profile, and access available features directly from the app. If you're already familiar with Klover's reward system, navigating the app generally becomes straightforward. Empower also guides users through linking a bank account before making financial features available. After setup, the app provides access to eligible services through its main dashboard. If your bank connection is completed successfully and your account information is verified, the experience is typically smooth. Instead of asking which app is simpler overall, compare how easily each one handles the tasks you perform most often. Open both apps and see how quickly you can find your account details, review your eligibility, check repayment information, or manage your linked bank account. The app that requires fewer steps for those tasks may be the better choice for your daily use. Whichever app you choose, keep it updated through your device's app store. New versions often improve navigation, fix bugs, and resolve syncing issues that can make an app feel slower or more complicated than it really is. If you're having trouble using either app, check for account notifications asking you to complete identity verification or reconnect your bank account. Many usability issues are actually caused by incomplete account setup rather than the app's design. To recap, neither Klover nor Empower is universally easier to use. Both apps become much simpler after your bank account is connected and your verification is complete. The best choice is the one that lets you access the features you use most with the fewest steps and the least account maintenance. If this comparison helped you decide between Klover and Empower, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tutorials.